Welcome to Tech Deals Now, and this is your host, Elisa, bringing you the latest news in tech. Recently, there has been buzzing rumors that Apple will finally be resurrecting the beloved 12-inch MacBook model, though an exact date for the product release has yet to be unveiled. The second half of 2023 seems to be a safe guess. Whether an Air, Pro, or something entirely new, the 12-inch MacBook could be a great option for those seeking a lightweight, highly portable laptop that doesn't compromise on power. Intel's M2 chip would be perfect for this, as the power of the new laptop would be drastically improved over its predecessors. It's easy to see why there is so much debate and excitement surrounding the 12-inch. It's the perfect laptop for avid travelers, students, and anyone who appreciates a sleeker machine with a much more convenient form factor. So make sure to stay tuned in here as we keep you up to date on the progress of the 12-inch MacBook. We'll make sure to post any official news from Apple as soon as it arrives. And in the meantime, be sure to keep up to date on the hottest tech deals and all the latest news, reviews, and opinion analysis from Tech Deals Now.